Okay, guys. So we took care of the filing of the entity. So now we're going to go to the irs.gov site because now we need to go file GOV. Now we need to file our EIN. So now that we're here, simply type in EIN, which is your employer identification number. Now, guys, the funniest thing for me is the fact that websites they have open and closed hours. So I'm not 100% sure if the EIN to apply for your EIN if it's open right now, but we're going to do it. So we're going to apply for a EIN online. Let's see if they open. Because if they close, it won't let you do it. See, hours of operation right there. Monday through Friday, 7 and 10. So we are in there, baby. So let's go. You are limited to one EIN per responsible party per day. Owns and controls the company. So, of course, that's us. We're going to apply online. So here's just telling you that you're on a U.S. government system for authorized personnel only. Basically, if you do anything stupid, they tracking your IP address and they'll come holler at you. So don't do nothing stupid, basically. So we're gonna begin the application. I mean, guys, you don't want to read any of this, go ahead and read through it. I've done this so many times, I don't need to do that. So because we just set up the LLC, the LLC simply is right here. This one is not a corporation. It's just a limited liability corporation. Click continue. And it goes through, what it is, tells you what the LLC is, a structure allowed by the state statute, articles of organization, all like that. Click continue. How many members are in LLC? So for me, it's just one. It's a sole member LLC. The LLC is physically located in Michigan. It's telling you, single member LLC. So it's telling you what your taxes, how you got to file it. If you're the only member, expenses are reported on the Form 1040, which is your individual income tax. Schedule C tell you all that. But of course, when it comes to the tax portion, guys, just simply have your accountant handle that, or a tax attorney, or whatever. What is the reason? Started a new business. And then here, go ahead and put all the information in. Put the street address where it's located. Also the phone number. Do you have an address different from the above where you want the mail to be sent? Nope. One special character allowed. Here is indicating that we need to put the legal name of the LLC, which is, of course, found on the articles of organization. Executive Glow LLC. Let me correct that. Executive Glow. Trade name, doing business only if different from legal name, which is not the county, your state. will be filed. That's already, we already got that in Michigan. Just gonna put Michigan again. The start date, it is September 2024. Bam. We're gonna click continue. Then it asks you questions about your LLC. So, does your business own highway motor vehicle? No. Does your business involve gambling? No, it does not. Does your business need to file a Form 720? No, it does not. Does your business sell and manufacture alcohol? No, it does not. Do you have or do you expect to have any employees or will receive Form W-2 in the next 12 months? So this is basically just indicating like if you already have employees or if you plan on having some employees in the next 12 months who will receive their W-2s from the company. You can put yes or no, but in my case, I don't plan on that within the next 12 months. So no, click continue. And then it says, what does your business or organization do? You find which one it is in, and then you just click it. Mine's would be retail, internet sales exclusively, selling goods on auction, healthcare, no. Yep, so mine's is retail. Click continue. It says sell goods exclusively over the internet, includes independently selling online auctions. Yep, not going to have any storefronts. Not right now. Guys, even if you do, let's say you want to do like pop-up shops or something like that, which is fine. Still just put selling goods exclusively over the internet because like pop-up shops is not, if that's not your main source of doing transactions and you don't have a permanent location, I honestly wouldn't put it because it just makes everything so 10 times more difficult. So as you see, how would you like to receive your EIN confirmation letter? You can receive it by mail. They'll send you a letter with the address provided, take up to 4 weeks for delivery, or just simply receive it online. Then you just print and save it. And then also it will always be in your email as well. So I always opt for the online portion. So here it goes over everything. It just goes, just a quick recap. You check everything out. Once you check everything out, you simply click submit. Once you click submit, congratulations, your EIN has been successfully assigned. You click here for your EIN and you just simply download it. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to save it. I'm going to put it in my e-commerce folder because I have so many folders. I will lose it. All right. Now that we got that. So as you can see, it says important. Save or print this page for confirmation alert below for your permanent records. Guys, you will not be able to get this document from this site again. And they tell you that. As you see, it says, can I access this letter at a later date? I want to click on that just for you. Clearly says, no, you will not be able to access this letter at another time. If you do not have access to a printer or you're unable to print the letter at this time, we strongly suggest that you save the file to your local hard drive or other removable storage device to print later. And then in order to do it, tells you how to do it. Guys, this is extremely, extremely important that you save that document. Do not move forward until you save that document. So once the letters say, click continue, bam, now it takes you back to the original page. Wait, take it back. Nope. Additional information about your EIN. So it shows you what all information you'll need. I mean, like what you can do with it. So, guys, you do need your EIN for opening a business bank account. You do need your EIN for applying for business licenses, which I'm going to be going to apply for a sales tax license. And then you also need it when it comes to filing your tax return, because your EIN is technically your business social security number in a sense. So any documents that you're filling out specifically for your business where it asks for an EIN or FEIN, which is a federal employer identification number, that's what you're putting it in there. So, because part of IRS permanent records, you must wait until this occurs before you can. Yep. So, guys, you can definitely, once you go through the process and do that, super simple to do. Like I said, you don't need to pay anybody to do it. You can go in there and do it, answer a few questions. And that's basically it. So that's your LLC, that's your EIN. Guys, if you found this information helpful, make sure you definitely like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you heart it, wherever you're seeing this at. And if you have any other questions, definitely comment below and let me know. And I'll catch y'all next time.